Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the 5 biggest YouTuber mistakes from new YouTubers to small YouTubers, how we can avoid them and how we can be more successful on YouTube. My name is Kostas from 2LOL and without further ado, let's roll the intro. Welcome back. So, what are the 5 biggest mistakes? Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is impatient. If you are impatient on YouTube and you want your views to be more successful and you don't upload so much and you are frustrated how your videos are doing, then that's a really bad thing. If you are impatient and you just want views, well, nothing will come. You have to be patient, you have to upload enough in order to see more views, more people interested in your videos. You have to be very patient. Also, if you are impatient, then you seem impatient in your videos as well. Relax, take your time, grab a cup of coffee, figure out exactly what your video is going to be about, and try to take many takes, take some breaks. Don't be so impatient. YouTube needs a lot of patience. If you only try to upload for the views, don't actually connect with your viewers, then nothing will happen. YouTube is very simple. You have to be consistent, patient, and if the viewers like your videos, then maybe they will subscribe, maybe they will like the video, and so on. Okay, number 2. They are in for the money.
First of all, congratulations, Mr. Krabs.
Hello, I like money.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money.
Well, YouTube, if you want to make money from YouTube, that's
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
If you are only in for the money, then please try another thing, because YouTube is very hard to get some money, especially in the start. Now that YouTube wants you to have 4,000 hours of watch time, that means around 150k views. That won't be monetizable, that means you will lose that. No advertisements will play on your videos until then. If you just want to be on YouTube for the money, then no success will come. Believe me, just try something else online to make money. YouTube is not the best idea to make money. In order to be on YouTube, you must enjoy making videos, making content, and believe me, it's very hard to just go in for the money. Number 3, consistency. To be honest, consistency was something I really struggled with. So now I made a challenge for myself and my audience. If you want, click here. The challenge is 100 videos in 100 days. So consistency is number 1 on YouTube. If you don't post consistently, then YouTube will start ignoring your channel. You know, your channel will not perform as much. Consistency is the number 1 rule for having success in everything. If you don't do it consistently, then stop doing it, try something else. You have to be dedicated in what you do, and that's very important. Number 4. People don't know what SEO is and how to do it. Many people think what SEO is, or kinda heard of it, they think they know what SEO is, but to be honest, SEO needs a lot of planning, a lot of research, a lot of stuff. So you have to be exactly sure what keywords to use, what keywords your niche has, and stuff like that. I won't get into what SEO is, but you need to really understand, especially if you're a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber, what is SEO and how you can take advantage of it, because you don't have a lot of viewers, a lot of subscribers at the moment, and SEO can really help to bring in some new audience. Number 5. bad thumbnails. To be honest, I really struggle myself with thumbnails, but thumbnails is the number one thing in order for your videos to be successful. Now with the new YouTube Studio, you can see how many impressions your video has and how many click-through rate they have. This is very important for a YouTuber to understand if their video is being shown to people but they don't click it. If something like that happens, that means your thumbnail probably is not good enough in order to compete with the other thumbnails. So keep in mind that you can see this in the YouTuber Studio beta version from YouTube. You can see the impressions and the click-through rate, and that's very important for you to understand how to make a good clickable thumbnail. And those were the 5 quick mistakes people make and some ways to avoid them. Please, if I wanted to pick which one is number one for me is consistency. If you don't post consistently to understand how to make videos in general, to upload in a consistent fashion, then you won't succeed in any way on YouTube. That's the number one rule that I have for myself. I know that if I make new videos, I will get better and better, but if I don't make videos, then nothing will happen. Please take that with you. I know this is very common sense, but it's very important for you to upload consistent videos. Please. Okay, I hope for every one of you the best for your adventure on YouTube. Don't be discouraged. Please start. If you really want to start as a YouTuber, please start. Make some videos. Don't care about the views. Do it as a hobby. Okay? You won't get money right away. You have to enjoy making videos. If you want to see more about how is the challenge going, I'm gonna make 100 videos in 100 days. Click here again to see the playlist. Every week, every Sunday, I make an update, like a documentary of how the views are going and stuff like that. If you want to be part of that adventure with me and understand a bit how it is to be a YouTuber and what struggles, what things, what obstacles you will find in your way, then check that out. Thank you very much. This is all what I have for you today. I hope you have a great evening. My name is Kostas from Tulol. Please subscribe and see you on the next video.